Good evening, Kingdom Builders. Today was day 23. For those of you who are still in the challenge, this is our 30-day challenge of journaling. And every day is not going to look the same. Some days you're going to be late. Some days you're going to miss it. And because it's Sunday, it's a rest day. But that's not the excuse why this message is coming to you guys late. I've had a very challenging 24 hours, but I couldn't end the day without doing this. And there's something powerful about getting to the end of the day and realizing, man, I almost forgot. Because a lot of people think that consistency means means never forgetting, never getting tired, or never getting distracted. But I think consistency is just remembering and returning. And in spite of what I had going on, the fact that my routine got interrupted, it's the end of the day, and I remembered I have to get day 23, the message out. And this is the message. Because 23 days ago, I wasn't trying to protect the message. But now I'm beginning to notice every day when it's missing. And that's how habits change and become identity. And today's lesson is, just because you rested, just because you did it late, it doesn't mean it loses its importance or its value. There's just something deeper here that about rest. Because Sunday is normally my restoration day. And sometimes, anyway, I'm not going to go there. The bottom line is, today was a rest day, but I wanted to make sure I got this message out. And tomorrow's going to be a fresh new day. My journaling continued today, and I hope yours did. There's days for resting, there's days for producing, there's days for restoration. And today's journal entry is just about the rest. So I hope everybody got their rest and is ready for the week ahead.